monorail.
Chef Mickey.
So excited. We're going to Chef Mickey's for breakfast. This is our third character meal.
Yes.
This trip.
Last one.
Our last one.
You ready? We're about to go in.
And we're about to go into the Contemporary Resort on the monorail, which is really cool. And then while we're eating, we're gonna get to see the monorail zooming past above our heads. So hang tight and stick around for this amazing character meal and the rest of our Magic Kingdom day. Maggie, look who it is. Say hi to Pluto.
Pluto, did Mickey do all the food?
Okay.
So excited for Minnie? Oh, Maggie, enough of that.
But look who's here. Why don't you give Minnie a big hug? Yeah, give her a big hug.
Love Minnie.
Oh, give her a hug. Look, give her a hug. Oh, she knows. Oh.
Kissing you.
Are you okay, Meg? Give her a hug.
Aww. Minnie makes it all better.
All right, come on, give her. Come on. Don't worry about the seat. Give Minnie a big hug. Oh, no tears.
Put her down and she was just like, no, I don't want to.
So sweet, Maggie. Oh,
There you go. Give her a big hug.
There you go, Maggie.
Is that better?
You want to take a picture at the end with us?
You guys want to take a picture together? Here, take a picture. Go ahead, take a picture. Go ahead. All right, we are in our table in Chef Mickey's, and as soon as we sat down, Minnie came around, and so did Pluto, and Magnolia was not having it. She was hangry. All she wanted to do was eat, and just kind of had a meltdown until Minnie started whispering in her ear and wiping her tears,
Minnie was so sweet.
and she kind of cheered up a little bit. But now she's eating.
She's good. And she is dressed like Donald today. And look who's coming.
Donald
The man
will be here
himself.
next.
You excited?
Are you ready to meet Donald?
I'm getting up already.
Take a picture with Donald? You just want to eat? Here.
Give me the food.
Maggie, look at your dress. Look, you look like Donald Trump. You want to eat? All right.
I think that is Goofy. Goofy.
So apparently Maggie does not care about any characters. All she wants to do is eat. You want to give Donald a big hug? Why don't you give him a hug right there? All right, so in between the characters, our food came out, and I want to show you this stuff because it looks really good.
Yeah.
Over here, I have cheesy potatoes first.
Potato thing.
So this is the cheesy potatoes. All right, so then this is the banana bread French toast.
Then our protein, we have eggs, bacon, sausage, and brisket. I actually put a nice piece of brisket on Steve's plate already. And then over by Luna, we have some waffles and pancakes. And they came out with a whipped cream and a cherry on top, but Luna has already gotten to the cherry. And the girls are just eating. How is everything?
We have our biscuits and little donuts. They also bring a sausage gravy to the table.
This is
Yogurt.
This is a lot of food, and
A
again,
lot.
it is all you care to enjoy. I've already gotten my second helping of the sausage gravy, so we're gonna start eating and enjoy and see some more characters.
And just real quick, currently it is family style. They bring everything over, but it is returning to a buffet soon.
Yes,
So it's everything you would get on the buffet brought to you.
I like it like that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Sorry, my book.
Maggie, go take a picture. Look here, say cheese. Oh, thank you so much, Donald. Thank you, Donald. Hi, Mickey!
Did you make the food?
Mickey right there.
Oh my god, it was so good and I'm all full.
Maggie, do you want to see the real Mickey? You want to go see Mickey? There's the real Mickey. Go say hi to him. What?
Mickey, can we have a picture?
Wait, look who's over here. Look who's at the next table. Thanks for coming back, Pluto. Hey, Goofy!
Goofy, how was you for Halloween?
Yeah.
Maggie, are you gonna say hi to Goofy?
Take a picture. Oh, look. Thank you, Goose.
You wanna go stand with them?
Daddy's gonna get a picture with him. Maggie, are you gonna go on Dumbo? Oh yeah, Dumbo. All right, you excited? Are you excited? Oh, that's exciting! Yay!
Are you excited?
Hi, Lunabelle. We're going on Dumbo. You excited, Maggie? Yay! All right. You want to count us down? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Here we go! We're going up, up, up. Up, up, up. We're going up. All the way up. Maggie, look at the castle. See the castle? Look over here. Oh, the castle. Woo! Hey, we're about to go on Peter Pan. Everybody loves Peter Pan, right? You love Peter Pan? Yeah. We're on.
Did it come down by itself?
Here we go! Off to Neverland.
Off to Neverland.